Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how you can auto-save Tumblr post in Google Sheets. So the idea here is that you are a blogger or you are a frequent Tumblr user. Now you want that whenever you upload a new post into your dashboard, automatically the details of the post should be saved as a new record to your Google Sheets, so that a database can be created and even you can access all your posts at a specific place, and even it can avoid the duplications also. For this we need to create a connection between Tumblr and Google Sheets. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Tumblr with Google Sheets automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Tumblr to Google Sheets integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to save the Tumblr post in our Google Sheets. For that, open this trigger window, choose the application name as Tumblr. Select the trigger event as new post in dashboard. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Tumblr. Now as I am already logged into my Tumblr account, it is asking me Pabbly Connect requests the following permissions to access your account. So let's click on allow and give away the access over here. Authorization successful, and now the Tumblr account is connected to Pabbly Connect. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the response is received. It means the latest post which I have uploaded in my Tumblr account will be captured over here. Okay, so I'll take you to my Tumblr account, and here I have already created a blog post named Core Integrations. I have given the image as Pabbly Connect Core Integrations, and here I have given the caption, the description as Pabbly Connect Core Integrations itself. Okay, so the details of this particular post or the blog is captured over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and when we scroll down, okay, here we can find all the details. Here we can find the title as Core Integrations. And here we can find the description as Pabbly Connect Core Integrations. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. Now here in the body we can see the title Core Integrations. It is displayed again. As well as here we can find some HTML content. So we want to remove this content as well as this title from the description, that is Pabbly Connect Core Integrations. For that, come to the Actions tab, choose the application name as Text Formatter. Select the action event as Replace Text. Click on Connect. Now here we need to map the text. Enter text you would like to find and replace values within. So we'll be mapping the text from Tumblr. That was the body. Okay, and in this particular text we want to just find this value, that is Core Integrations. along with the HTML content. So I'm just going to map this, add the same details over here. And after that, I'll be mapping the core integrations title from Tumblr. And this was the core integrations. And after that, I'll be adding /h1 once again. Okay. Now here we have to give the value that needs to be replaced with. Enter the value to be replaced. If you want to replace the text with a blank, use blank. Okay, so I'll be just copying this blank from here and I'll be putting it over here. So this particular text will be replaced with a blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received, and here we can't find the title in this particular description now. So now we want to remove this HTML content also. We want only the description. For that, again come to this plus sign, add action step. Select the application name as data transformer. Select the action event as strip HTML tags. Click on connect. Now here we have to map the encoded string that we have got from the text formatter. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here in the result we have got only the description, that is Pabbly Connect core integrations. So now we want to post this data in our Google Sheet. So for that, come to this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the action event as add new row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Sheets. Now it is asking me to choose an account to continue with Pabbly Connect Sheets. So let's select my account from here. Now Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. So let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that we have created in our account. Okay, so I'll take you to the Google Sheet which I have already created for this particular automation. And the spreadsheet name is Tumblr data and the sheet name is post over here. And here I have added the fields for the caption, its summary and the URL. So now we want to create an integration between this particular Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, so that all the post details should be added to this particular Google Sheet. So we have to select the same spreadsheet name and the sheet name over here in Pabbly Connect. So the spreadsheet name is Tumblr data. And the sheet name is automatically captured just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. If you have created multiple spreadsheets or multiple sheets, from the drop down you can select your specific sheet name. Okay. Now here we have to map the caption, its summary and the URL that needs to be entered into your Google Sheet. So we have already got all these details from Tumblr over here, from the Tumblr response. So we are going to map these details now. Okay. For mapping, scroll down and come to Google Sheets, action step, and here we'll be mapping the caption from Tumblr, and the caption was core integrations, that is the summary. Here we are going to map the description which we have got from data transformer, that is Pabbly Connect core integrations, and here we are going to map the URL from again Tumblr, and here we'll be mapping the short URL. And let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the response is received. It means the post details are added to your Google Sheet. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can find the caption as core integrations, summary, the description as Pabbly Connect core integrations, and here we can find the URL. So I'll just open this URL and let us check whether the correct URL is saved or not. Okay, and here we can see that we are redirected to our Tumblr post, that is core integrations. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Okay, I'll just close this window. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, Now, as we have created an automation between Tumblr and Google Sheets, next time whenever you are going to create a new post in your Tumblr dashboard, automatically the post details will be added to your Google Sheet. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, we'll be moving to our Tumblr account. So this is my Tumblr dashboard. Here we are going to just create a new post by clicking on this text button. Let's give the image over here from my system. And this time I'm just going to select this new use cases for Pabbly Connect. Okay. And I'll just add the title as new use cases. And I'll be adding the description as new use cases for Pabbly Connect. Okay. And let's click on post now. Okay, and here we can see that a new blog is created over here, a new post is created, new use cases, and the description as new use cases for Pabbly Connect. Now let us check whether the details of this post are added to a Google Sheet or not. We have to refresh our Google Sheet. And even after refreshing, we can't find the post details added to our Google Sheet just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So we have to wait for some time. Okay, and after some time, I can find the details of the new post, new use cases. Here we can find the summary as new use cases for Pabbly Connect. And here we can find the URL also. So I'm just going to open the URL and let us check whether the correct post details are shared or not, or saved or not. Okay, and here we can see new use cases. And here we are redirected to our Tumblr account. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. I'll just minimize all the action steps and the trigger window over here. Okay. So first we have created an integration between Tumblr and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the post that you have created into your Tumblr account. Then we have used text formatter just to replace the text because we have got the caption as well as its description all together in the description. Now after that we have used the data transformer just because in the description we have got some HTML tags or the HTML content also. And at last, using all these details, automatically a new row or a new record was added to your Google Sheet. The post details are added to your Google Sheets. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Tumblr and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.